Hello friends, I welcome you to another interesting class in our Adobe Illustrator. My name is Rafi Yakub, reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. In today's Adobe Illustrator, I'm going to teach you guys how you can create a roll-up banner using Adobe Illustrator. Roll-up banner is also categorized under the print design. So all you have to do in this class is to watch the step I'm taking to create this simple corporate roll-up banner, right? So without wasting much of our time, so let's get today's class started. The first thing we need to do, as far as having open your Illustrator software, right? So you go to File, then you click on New. So you have to come here and type your design name. Should be corporate roll-up banner, right? So the weight of the roll-up banners should be 1004. Then the height should be 2362. Then we make sure that at the point here we select CMYK color. This is very much important. Then finally you come down here and click on create. Alright, so having make a page settings for our roll-up banner, so the next thing to do is to start with the right concept for our design. So in this case now I will go to my toolbar now. I will right click on the rectangle, then I will select polygon, then I'll come to the Illustrator workspace. I will click once, then this is going to pop up. So from this point here I will type 3%, 3 angle size, then I click on OK. So it's going to appear straight away on the artboard. So I can come to the home tab here and I'll change the color scheme. I'll change to black so we can see everything right here. So I can expand it by press shift key and alternative key on my keyboard and drag to make it large. Then I can rotate to 90 degrees. Then I'll take it down here, right? So I need to make it larger more than this. So I'll press shift key, alternative key, and drag it out to make it more larger. So I can take it in now and snap it here right away. So at this point now, the next thing I'm going to do is I can as well duplicate this or make use of pen tools now. So to make it very much easy for us, we have to make use of pen tools now. We go to toolbar again and then I'll select pen tools. Then I will add a node here. Sorry. So I'm going to delete this row here. So my pen tools again. So Control plus to zoom out, Control plus to zoom out. So we should be able to see everything we are doing very clear. So I can start the new anchor point from this point here. Then I'll take it up with my shift key. Then I'll make it here. And I'll close the part here, right? So I can change this color now from black and go to the home tab. I will change this color to this green here. Then I will remove the stroke, so something like this, right? So we continue with our sketch layout. So I have to go back to my pen tools again. Then I will make another part here. I can start from this point here, so to make everything more unique and uniform, so like this. So I press shift key down to make a perfect stroke like this. Sorry, Ctrl Z. Then I'll close the part here and here. So I'll go back to my move tools now. Then I will select the shape now. So I'll go back to my color at the menu at the home tab here. Then I'll change this color to this lemon green. So these are the colors I want to use throughout the concept of the banner design in Adobe Illustrator, right? So I'll continue with my pen tools. I'll go back to my tools bar again. I'll select pen tools. So in this regard, I'm going to add another anchor point here. Then I'll press shift key on my keyboard to make a straight one. Then I'll close the part here. Now I have to click my move tool now and then click once outside. Then I'll select the shape tools again. I'll go to my home tab here and change the color to this type of green. Alright, so I have to go back to my pen tools again. I will add another anchor point here, something like this. Then I'll close the part here. So I will make use of my eye color dropper now. I will select this color, then my move tool. So that is that. Then I have to continue with my pen tools again. Then I will make another big anchor point part here, this way, this way, this way, and then I'll close the part here. So I will select my eye color dropper, then I'll pick on this green here. Right, so I need to go back to my pen tools again. Like this. Then I'll close the part here. So my eye color dropper, then I'll select this green now. Right, so we are getting to the concept of the banner. So we'll continue with my pen tools again, and I will make another part here. And I'll close it here. Then at my eye color dropper, I will choose this green now. Right, so my pen tools again. I'll add another point here. Then like this, and I'll close this part here. So I will select my eye color dropper again. I will select this green here. Right, so I will select my pen tools again, another anchor point here, then here, and I'll close the part here. So my color and this. Alright, so I'll go back to my pen tools again. Another anchor point here, and I'll close it here, here, and here. So in this regard, I will select my eye color dropper, and I'll pick this green now. Alright, so I'll go back to my pen tools again, select on this, then close the part here, and then here. So that is that. So I have to come down here. I will make another part here, and another part here, and close the part here. Then my eye color dropper again, I will choose this green. Right, so at this point here, I'm done with the sketch of my roll-up banner. So one other thing I'm going to do is to go to my desktop and bring out the picture for the banner. So what I'm going to do is to go to File, from the Home tab, then I'll click on Place. So I need a corporate picture. Okay, I'll try and see if this picture, and I'll try about 3 picture, then this, and then this, then I'll click on Place. So I want to see which one works better. So you can drag down like this. Drop this down here. So let me take this one for this side, and I have one here also. So I will use this first and see if it's going to work fine in the banner. So I'll press Shift key and alternative key on my keyboard to expand the image. So I will select the black shape. I will right click, arrange, then bring to front. So I need to go to the image now, then I will adjust it. I'll press Shift key and alternative key on my keyboard and still drag out. Control Z. So go back to my image and make sure everything full the size. Control minus. So I'll press Shift key and alternative key again and stretch. Right. So I will press Shift key on my keyboard and select the black shape now. Then I will right click. I will choose make clipping mask. Right. So I can delete this. I don't need it. And Control Z. Control Z. So I need to make sure that this hand here come up a little bit.
Come on. Mama. Come on.
Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Shift key and the alternative key and drag out. Then Shift key and select the black shape now. Right click, make a clipping mask. Very good. So I can delete this one now. Then I can delete this one. And I press Ctrl+0 to zoom in the entire canvas. So I'm done with the sketch stage of the banner. So let's see how we conclude on the design.